Here is a cage for when trading card matches get brutal. A shop in Japan installed a cage for trading card battles. Okay. Is this just to make it seem more significant, like a cage match, like this is a big deal? Like they're not actually getting brutal and they need to be contained.
Yeah, they're not fighting in there.
Right.
But they are fighting in there with their minds.
You think trading card games like Yu-Gi-Oh!, Duel Masters, and Pokemon are gentle? Maybe for you they are, but that doesn't mean the matches can't get intense. How cool is this? Did you ever play any of these competitive card games like that?
Never.
Magic,
Not even
The
curious.
Gathering?
No.
Nothing?
No.
I'm very upset by that. I feel
Are
like
you surprised?
Well, I just felt like you could have given me some needed insight because I'm the same as you. The closest I ever got was Pogs. I used to flip over those Pogs.
Sure. That's not a card game.
No, I know it's not, but it's similar culture.
Sure,
You
yeah.
know what I mean? Like they would
I
have
hear you.
tournaments and things like that. And I wasn't even into it for all that long, but I feel like, well, I mean, I collected cards. I collected sports cards. So that's kind of like it. But then the event of getting together would just be around trading. There was no inherent game to it. So that's kind of some of those card games are cool because you can collect the cards, but then also play. I like that. There's something fun about that. Anyway, so this takes things to another level. But anytime you're wondering, hey, can something be taken to another level? All you got to do is check Japan. That's it.
For sure, yeah.
And then they would have done it.
Yeah, they're having fun.
Yeah.